welcome to today's video. Today's video for Nena's Bubble is going to be a DIY turnaround, renew, make it prettier again project. I have my yard gnome. This is the welcome yard gnome that I want to renovate. It is pretty dingy and weathered out. You can see he's really peeling off and stuff. He is a plastic gnome, and inside I believe they have sand, something like that. I bought it at Rite Aid, and you can see you can give them a second life or a third life or as many lives as you want. You just need to give them a little bit of a sparkle again. You can see I'll be using my acrylic paints and some sandpaper. This one is the thinnest one, is the P400 paper, or the 225U, however is that you find it. And you first give it a good wash. I really don't care. Wash it before it does clean. It does look like it's dirty, but it's weathered out. So you're gonna start by giving it a light sand out. So the new paint that you're gonna put on actually adheres to the paint. Once you have sand his little body, you can start painting with the craft paints. And to this, it really doesn't have a thing to do this or that. You just paint whatever color you want. With just the bottom part painted, you already could see a huge difference. A huge difference in the before and after. But with any paint that you really do, a little tip is that you do like at least 2 coats of the paint that you're doing when you're working with another material that was already originally painted. Or anything really. 2 coats are better than 1. More than 3, it's for light colors and stuff like that. But you're really gonna see what intensity of the color you want until it has semi-dry or completely dry. So just a tip right there. I also recommend for you to have different brushes, for each color, one for each color, in case you need to go back. You don't need to be watering and doing that. You just pick the paint brush for the particular color and continue doing that, so it's easier and less time. I want my gnome to be all seasons, so I'm gonna be kind of putting them different color. I don't want his to be blue. I'm actually gonna paint it a little bit of purplish and his hat a little bit pinkish. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna be doing the different colors than he originally has, which the gnomes typically have. Okay, this is the first coat of everything. I haven't done his eyes, but this is the first coat of everything. The red one looks pretty good, but I kind of did twice already on that one. But you can see that on the first coat, you can still see the bottom colors, like this blue one. So this is first coat. Let's do a second coat now. It is him with the second coat. And then last time I have forgotten about his pants. So his pants do have one coat still, but that's how he looks with those colors with the second coat. Now with the rest of it, kinda sort of rest of it, we're gonna play with shading and with some colors. So we're gonna grab different colors that are almost similar to what the original color is, and we're gonna add in some other colors for highlights and things like that. So just to make it a little bit more interesting and for it to actually have some type of makeover and not just have an overpaint. Look at that. I think he is a new gnome. Very rosy on his cheeks, his nose and his ears. A little bit of dimension in his boots. The mushroom and the wood over here that I just noticed there's a big mark right there. Fixed. Now the only thing that we need is to protect him or cover it with something like Mod Podge gloss, and that's like your best friend forever. Mod Podge gloss. Wait till everything's completely dry, and then you can Mod Podge it. And it is gloss. It makes it glossy. It protects him from the weather a little bit more, and you have given your gnome a new entire new life. Over here, hopefully it's visible. I kind of went with the dry, almost dry brush, grabbing the very white one and just going over it, just so it doesn't look so perfect and a little bit used. And if you don't want the marks to be totally like rough, you can go with a dry brush and come on, smother it, if you would say, smush it, and then the marks worn are not as, what do you call it, as solid, as perfect as you will leave them. So sometimes I like how it looks, like it has highlight, like the boots, oh excuse me, that it's perfect. Oh my god, I just give him some highlights here with the green. I don't have no more white. I don't have to fix it, or but I thought it looks cute like that and withery, that I like it. I'm gonna Mod Podge it and then put it outside, and that's how it looks. Look at that shiny little critter. Look at, hopefully you can see his shininess from the glossy Mod Podge. He's ready to go and be put outside where he belongs. I almost do not want to put him outside, but that's how it looks. Look at that. Hopefully you guys like this video. Comment down below if you would like me to show you guys my other one. I most likely will. You guys never answer. Yeah, comment down below if you like it. Subscribe if you haven't done so, and if you did, thank you very much, and I will see you next time. Goodbye, Gnome. Rosy cheeks, rosy cheeks.